Have you ever wondered how people will use those beautiful professional looking fonts in their projects without paying a cent? Well, today you're going to learn exactly how to use Google Fonts the right and easy way with zero coding needed. Let's jump right in. First, open your favorite browser and head to fonts.google.com. That's the official Google Fonts website. Once it loads, you'll see a massive collection of fonts, thousands of them, all free to use for personal and commercial projects. At the top, you'll notice filters for categories like serif, sans serif, display, handwriting, and monospace. These help you find exactly the style you're looking for. You can also adjust sliders for thickness, slant, and width to refine your search even more. When you find a font you love, click on it to preview. You can even type your own custom text in the preview box, perfect for seeing how your name, title, or logo will look before using it. Now, if you just want to use the font offline, for example in Word, Canva, or Photoshop, simply hit the Download Family button in the top right corner. That'll give you a zip file. Unzip it, open the font file, and click Install. It'll instantly appear in your system fonts list, ready to use in your favorite design apps. And if you're using online tools like Canva, Figma, or Google Docs, great news. Most Google fonts are already built in, so you can start typing with them right away without any setup. That's it. Simple, clean, and completely free. With just a few clicks, you've got access to one of the biggest open source font libraries in the world. If this guide helped you, make sure to keep exploring, because Google Fonts is updated constantly with fresh new designs you can start using today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.